Stop by and take a look at the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, sync, satellite communications, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.